Hello, traders. FX Pip Collector here. Today is Thursday, September 4th, and this is my analysis for the Euro US dollar, and we are on the 4-hour time frame. So on the 4-hour time frame, I've been saying that potentially this is the end of a correction right here, which I still think is very likely. But looking at the US dollar index, I'm kind of thinking that perhaps the dollar is going to push up a little, and that may actually cause this to go down. It might even, go down, take out these lows, and then tomorrow is non-farm payroll, and whatever happens today is very likely just setting itself up for the news tomorrow. So if it actually goes down, I think that would potentially be a better setup for a big long opportunity tomorrow, maybe the beginning of like a big wave three. So if that is the case, we might want to go short, or we might want to be looking for shorts today. Going down to the 1 hour time frame, if this right here was the end of a correction, then this would be going up very strong, and it's not. It's actually not going up very strong at all. So potentially it might push up a little bit, but I think it potentially is going to go down again. Maybe either we test these lows or maybe make a little bit of a higher low, like I was showing on the 4 hour time frame. So, anyways, don't forget to check out my website linked over here in the corner. And as always, thank you for watching and happy trading.